Disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. All methods shown are intended to help creators learn and grow their content ethically and responsibly. If you're watching this, you already know people are making crazy money using free AI tools. You just want to know how, right? Today, I'm showing you a super simple trick to create viral YouTube shorts and make thousands of dollars, all from the comfort of your home. But first, just watch this video. These types of shorts get hundreds of millions of views, and the best part, they're insanely easy to make using AI. And today, with just 3 to 4 free AI tools, I'm going to show you how to create insane viral shorts like these. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT. Now, once you're here, type, "Give me a detailed text-to-image and image-to-video prompt where a cute cat is working as a staff member in a coffee shop and serving coffee to a customer." In 2 seconds, ChatGPT will give you an awesome text-to-image and image-to-video prompt. If you don't like the prompt or want to change it, you can also share your own idea here. Anyway, I've already given a really good prompt in the description, so you can copy and use that directly. Now, go back to Google and search for Leonardo.ai. Once you're on the site, quickly sign up or log in. And yes, if you face any problem while signing up or logging in, just check out my first video. I've explained everything there, including how to get unlimited email accounts for free. But you know what? Let me just show you a quick clip from my first video right here, so you won't even have to go back and find it. We're going to work smart here, not hard. Yes, you'll need more email accounts along the way, but don't worry. I promise to teach you everything for free, and I mean it. Just stick with me. Head over to smailpro.com, tap on Full Access, then hit Create, and boom, just click Generate, and your brand new email is ready. You can use this anywhere, anytime, and just copy it with one click. Told you, everything 100% free and simple. Now let's get back to creating our AI masterpiece. After opening Leonardo, just follow my screen and apply the exact same settings I'm using so you can get the best results. Now paste the prompt here that you got from ChatGPT. Within 4 to 5 seconds, you'll get lots of image results. Take your time, pick the best ones, and with just one click, download them. So that's it for the text-to-image part. All right, now let's turn this image into a video. Just head over to Google and search for Runway ML. Click on the official link to visit the Runway ML website. Hit the Get Started button and sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, this is the interface you'll see. Go to the video section here and upload the image we just downloaded from Leonardo. Remember the image to video prompt we got from ChatGPT earlier? Paste that prompt right here and simply click on Generate. Your video will be ready in under a minute. Now listen. If you want to take the video quality to the next level, I highly recommend checking out my first video. I explained everything there in detail. All right then, I hope I explained everything clearly in just a short time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. I'll reply super quick. See you in the next video.